Hello everyone. Today I will show an updated video lesson of the improved mode 6 task rendering. I use a free asset of a big city.
1. Для начала
1. First, make sure that the necessary plugins are activated. This is Camera 360 V2 and the Movie Rendering Queue. You also need to display content and plugins. You will need FFMPEG installed. I will leave a link to the video lesson in the description. And so, let's get started. 1. First, we need to activate the widget 6 tasks. You can see the familiar settings used in Movie Render. Layers of anti-aliasing, camera, game overrides, high resolution. You can add or remove these layers using the check mark next to the button. In our case, I will leave only smoothing. Now we are interested in setting up a note. In it, I added a text example of the settings to work with. You need to copy these settings to the CLI encoder. We won't have to configure anything else. Output movie render settings to maximum size for one camera is 6400 pixels. Use aspect ratio 1:1. In our case it is 3000 by 3000.
You need find your level sequence. Example, in this scene, you need using sandbox intro scene, and map I using big city level. And if you added map, you see. Okay. Next, I select 360 projection resolution and output format. I using JPEG, and this for movie render task I using JPEG. Next step, you need save settings, need waiting. Okay. Okay.
Working with the staged one, we need to add an actor camera 360_V2 to the scene. It is worth considering that the camera 360 V2 actor must be added to the loaded zone.
And 2.
2. We need to make small changes in the post-process to avoid the appearance of seams, namely, bloom, vignette, exposure.
Chromatic 0, image effect vignette, okay. Save scene. Next step, I open sequence level, cinematics, okay. Okay, save. Next step, you need open movie render GUI and load preset current. And next step, you need press button render.
As a result, you will get the right projection in the right quality.
And you can see when I save settings in your folder, create new folders Facebook and output. Oh, okay.
I also recommend reducing the DOF depth of field blur. Now I forgot to do it. I'm sorry, smiley face. This mode allows you to get the desired projection directly using Movie Render. You no longer need to do a lot of actions to get the rendering. There are limitations for this mode. This mode is not suitable for projects where physics is used, for example artificial intelligence, where movements occur differently each time. A system of particles using physics or random movements. Since the method uses 6 render tasks, each task can contain a different result of such objects or effects.
Yes, you can see using depth of field very big values. Okay. You need to select your camera and change focus settings, disable, and exposure. Okay. And I recommend that not destroy folder output. You need you can not delete his files, but I recommend that destroy these files. Okay. Start. And you see NEF files for Facebook. Replace it and all good. Okay, last task, camera 6. And next, stitching. Yes, you can see replaced files and final image in folder output. Okay. You can see beautiful quality. Okay, if any question you can tell me in forum or please write me to my mail. Okay, bye.